Right guys, so we have this super special 992 Turbo S sitting right behind me here. So this car, it's come in and it's had a complete Techart conversion. It's also had a couple of upgrades to take it up to full ES900 spec, as well as our custom new map switching software. So as you can see, it's had the full works and it looks sick. I mean, to be fair, when he ordered the kit, I envisaged it to look good, but I didn't think it was going to look this good, man. Just check it out. This looks amazing. The mirrors, the carbon bonnet, the skirts, the rear wing, the front bumper. It's just like perfection, I think, in terms of looks. It's not too over the top. It completely suits it. So now when you look at this, you know it means business. So it's not only about the looks. This thing's packing our full ES900 package, and it makes 890 wheel horsepower on pump fuel and meth. So that's over 1,000 horsepower to the crank, and it looks as good as that. So this, for me, is one of the ultimate 992 street setups. I don't think you can get a better overall street setup than this kind of setup. You've got the power, you've got the looks, you've got the noise. It's just everything that you'd want in a supercar like the 992 Turbo S is.
Bro, you gotta make these 15 grand wheels look brand new. Just look at them, bro. 15 grand. Look at that. Getting the yellow cloth in there. That's probably like 20p as well.
Right guys, so Peter Shepard's amazing, stunning, one of one Techart 992 ES900 is done. So it made 895 horsepower at the wheels, 675 foot-pound of torque. So that's 1,052 brake horsepower at the crank. That is tuned on pump and meth. This car also has our new switchable maps, which is switchable on the cruise control, on the fly as you're going. So you can switch through a non-meth map and a meth map and a high boost map or a low boost map. Whatever he wants, we can set it all up to make it work. But as you can see, the ES900 doing what it says on the tin. And this car is amazing. I've just fallen in love with it. You know, before I didn't used to think that these kits would look that good in person. But now seeing it on this car, it's awesome. The car just looks amazing, especially with the wheels. I mean, this car has 22/21s, so not ideal for performance on the road, but it's still stupidly quick. We had it out last night doing some draggy runs, and the numbers were insane. So yeah, we'll put that in there now as well, so check that out.
And that's a 9.41 quarter mile. Bad. I literally just did a 3.9, 100, 200 and a 9.4 back-to-back quarter mile. I just need to check what the trap speed was. But this car is, mind the French, but it's f***ing insane. It looks wicked. With the Techart kit, it just looks awesome. And you know what the best bit is? Everyone always says that, oh, 992s don't get enough attention if it's parked next to a Lambo. Oh, park this next to a Lambo and see how much attention you get. Because this thing looks awesome. It looks so sick. I think words can't describe it. And you know what the best thing is? Pa, 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 pa. Oh, there's a Ford Focus RS inside the petrol station. I bet he's gonna come out, yeah, and say hi. You know when you're hearing those pops and bangs, there's a big flame at the back. Wanna hear it again? That was a loud one. I don't know how well the GoPro can pick up these sounds, but honestly the pops and bangs are literally amazing. This sounds so sick. It's incredible how amazing this car sounds and looks.
Oh, and you know what time it is? Outside the building. We're colder than them things there, you get me? Waiting for this 992 to pull up on me, man. It's one of our best projects. Oh my God. Look, bro. Yo. That one.
Bro, all I see is cats like, forget me, record the car.
Crazy. This got me the best project to date. Oh my God. Look at this one, bro. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, bro. You need to spin that, put that outside, bro.
Guys, he's getting gas with the looks. I'm getting gas with the numbers. Because what I got right now is mad. Bruv, I got 9.4 quarter mile with these 22 inches on. Plus with the Techart kit, I don't know what is better, Techart or Emirates Tune. Which one actually works? Because with 22s, I've never got those numbers before. And 100, 200, 3.9. Bro, that's mad. You know what's mad? 22 inches wheels make a massive difference. And we managed to get that with 22 inch wheels.
Bro, you can't doubt it. This has got to be one of the best. This is, I would say, aesthetically, this is probably it is the best looking 992 in the country. I mean, there isn't a full Techart conversion, and I'm talking front bumper, the side air intakes, we've got the side skirts, the carbon hood, the rear diffuser, the carbon wing, carbon mirrors. Like, honestly, man, I'm all carved out, to be honest with you. I'm all carved out.
Is that your favourite car you've driven?
Because I'm all, one of the favourites, 100%. Yeah. Looks wise, 100% this one right on top. But the favourite one I've ever driven, gonna be biased, it's definitely the crayon one inside. Do you know why?
Crayon one?
Yeah, do you know why? It doesn't look the best, I agree. It's not the fastest, but I got some good numbers in that around the track, and I've never been on a track before, so I'm gonna be biased and say the crayon one is the best personal preference. But this is up there. This is literally.
Where's the blue one gone?
Oh, bro, no, it can't. That's a baby, innit? It's called the Miami Blue Baby. That you can't even compare that with anything, because that's like top of the list.
It races baby driver.
Honestly, I'm gonna be devastated to see this car go.
This, yeah.
Innit?
This is part of our family now. This has been bro, the amount of effort's gone into this, because the kit, yeah, Techart does an amazing job with their kits and stuff, but it was a little bit technical to fit it on, because you had to do a lot of carving, a lot of like cutting up and everything, painting. We had to put everything together, which was literally, it's really good. But yeah, big thanks to Techart for supplying us the kit as well, and this customer for getting the kit done from us, which is pretty impressive, because this is one of the first ones that we've done. It's just amazing the way it looks, the way it came out. Everything went in perfect, everything works. It's fast, it's quick, it's loud. What more do you want?